Okay. So who is going first? Or should I just call him?
Good evening.
Hi, Musa, my guy. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah. So what do you have for us today?
Yeah, so from yesterday, right, because in my own understanding of products, in a lot of ways, the PM needs to know some sort of code. But you're able to clarify that, it's not necessary for them to be coders or even have any engineering background. So the key skills that product managers should have is strong communication skills. They should be strategic thinkers, and they should have customer empathy. So that's even one of the most important ones. And then other skills like analytical skills, leadership, and then problem solving as well.
Thank you very much. That is actually a great point. Thank you. Yeah. So wait again. I want five people. We have like 25 in attendance. I want like five. Or should I call your name? Because I know that Manfred is always here. Okay. Efun Dunni is always here. Yeah, yeah. Ayo Oluwapo, Raji, Chioma, Olagunju, and okay, Oluwakorede Adiremi. So who is going first? Manfred.
Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. Good evening. Yeah. What I've learned so far as a PM, you need to have leadership capacity. You should be able to carry people along, carry the team along, and you should be able to understand from what we heard yesterday. You should understand every member of the team, know the temperament, and know how to follow them along, and a couple of times you should come up with the ideas with them as in what they need to do. You should do it together with them so that it won't look as if they are left out. And also you should have like customer empathy. You should know what the product is all about, and you should know the pain points of the customer so that you know how to go about pushing the products. And you should know other requirements. You should be able to do your market research. You be able to define requirements, and you should be able to develop go-to-market strategy, and of course, competitive analytics.
Okay, thank you very much, Manfred. Thank you. Abigail Raji, let me hear from the ladies. Abigail Raji, can you unmute your mic if you are here? If you are not here, only down. Okay, okay, okay. Please let me hear your voice. Thank you.
Okay, I wanted to talk about customer empathy. We should know as a PM that we are building products for the customer, not for ourselves. Like that should be something that we'll have at the back of our mind, because it's very easy to forget that you are building for the customers and not yourself. So then as a PM, like my colleagues have said earlier, we should have leadership skills, analytical skills, and problem-solving skills. That's all for me.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Abigail. Thank you. Thank you. I actually like Patrick Uka. Patrick, are you with us? Oh, Patricia, sorry, Patricia Uka. No, don't be scared. Just feel free. Say anything you want to that comes to your mind. Well, if you're not ready, I think Shoma is there. Shoma Chukwume is GK. Shoma, are you with us? Hello, Shoma, are you there? Oh, Shoma said she's struggling to hear me. I'm sorry about that. Wait, is it general? Can everyone hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Olukorede Aderemi. So I think it's your net. I don't know. Everybody can hear me. I don't know what.
Good afternoon. Sorry, I just joined, so I am just struggling to catch up. I logged in, but I had to step away from my laptop, so I just joined. Sorry. So maybe I
Yeah,
can
but you're
come
in
back.
touch yesterday, right?
Sorry.
You're in touch yesterday.
Yes, I was.
Yeah, yeah. I said, what have you been able to like? What can you say like concerning products so far? What can you just anything? One, two, three things. Just shoot. Don't worry.
Okay.
You
Well, so far, what I've learned so far is like the qualities of a product manager, all the strong suits that a product manager has to have, like customer service, like empathy. And I feel that also as a project manager, you should be ready to like make the tough calls, because as much as you want to be understanding and empathetic with your customer, knowing, since you have more market knowledge than you do, you should be able to like make some tough calls, like put them through in some aspects, because customers always want everything, but sometimes those things they want might not necessarily work for them. So sometimes you might have to like make a tough call and tell them that this might not necessarily give the results that you desire, just so that at the end of the day everybody is happy. So you fight small so that at the end of the day everybody will be happy. That's another quality I think a product manager should have.
Thank you very, very much. I know the winner. Thank you. I can see everyone like it has actually been an interesting class. And please keep up the vibes, like keep the vibes rolling. And I see us with that great tenacity and strong leadership capacity to go far in this product journey. There's a lot of opportunity out there. There's a lot of company waiting to have the best among the best. And like I told you yesterday, or the day president, I told you, I said something, I said, believe in yourself, guys. I think that's one thing that will actually help your mindset, like believing in yourself that you can do everything. And there's nothing you cannot do when it comes to product. So I will take in two more and let me just tell more. How are you, Baoni? Can you hear me? Hello, tell more. Are you there? If you're not there, maybe Fatima should. Hello, Fatima, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, thank you, Fatima. Can you just, you've been with us for some time right now? Yes?
Yeah, for the 3 days.
Yeah, for a few days. Yeah, thank you very much. So what have you been able to, what can you talk about? What have you been able to?
Okay, so from yesterday, you mentioned communication skills and, not just being able to communicate with one person, but being able to communicate across board to like a lot of people, a lot of teams, your superior, your boss, the customer, the clients and all of that. And so yes, that's one of the things that really like resonated with me. And like it takes also not just trying to speak to them, but also trying to form a kind of relationship with them as people you'll be working with, like say 2 months, 3 months. It's not just about trying to be heard, but also trying to form a kind of bond with them and for things to go smoothly. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Let me just give everyone a round of applause. I think you guys are actually the best. Please just send in some emojis for me on the chat box because it's actually a good one. And, thank you, Joy. Thank you very much. I saw your message. Please drop some emojis for if you are following because you guys are making me proud. I'm feeling myself that I'm a good teacher. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Guys. Yeah, thank you. I can see those emojis. Don't worry, keep it coming. So, as we just dive in today, let's just round up. and C. Thank you very much. Thank you. So let me just share my screen. What is this emoji again, please? Are we seeing? So, no worry. I know everyone can see my screen. Yeah, if you can see my screen, kindly confirm that. No worry. I know you can see my screen. So, let us go deeper. Now, let's look at how is PM success determined. As a PM, you've actually you've been working and all, and guys, like you don't even know how my success, how will you measure my KPI, that's key performance indicator. Yeah, how will you measure that for me and all? I spoke to a lady yesterday, and she said she's actually feeling isolated because of some kind of structure, in the team. So now today I'm going to show us, like, as a PM, I want to know the working. I want to know that yeah, okay, I'm proud of myself. I'm doing the best. You want to give yourself thumbs up. Let's just look at the success that will determine the PM success determined. So your place of work, we look at PM success is determined by various factors, including meeting business goals and product objectives. What are the business goals, where you're working, your internship, what's actually their goal? It's not that, like I said, was it different today? I said not your division of your company is actually different from the product you're trying to do. Just like you including a face app or sharing of screen on books, because of WhatsApp is doing the same. You don't actually need that. You understand? So what is the goal of your startup, the goal of your tech company? What are they doing? Before we can see that, oh, you have actually achieved success, you must meet their business goals and product objectives. And number two is achieving customer satisfaction and adoption. I said that you are not building for yourself, you are building for customers. So for us to measure your success, for us to know that, oh, you are doing great stuff, like you're building great stuff, that means your user, you're actually feeling your product. It's not your team member that will tell you that you are doing great. Yeah, it's not after your CEO that will encourage that you are doing great. It's the customers that you are satisfying. Like me now, like I told you, my best app so far, you see WhatsApp, Google Maps. Those are my best apps, like, so far. I was sharing with someone. I said, as of last year, when you maybe you want to go through Maryland area, there's this area called Ikorodu or Sason Road. There's how Google Maps will pronounce that road, but it has actually changed now. Now Google Maps will actually pronounce the road like way normal Nigerian guy will pronounce that road. And I'm happy about that. Now I can tell you that Google PM is actually doing great stuff, like they are building great products. So that's how you know that, okay, you're satisfying our customers and adoption, so you're good to go. Effectively managing resources and budget. Resources in terms of human resources, in terms of practically as a product manager, the best resources to manage their woman. You don't just gathering people alone. It's actually a great task. Gathering people alone is actually a great task. The budget aspect of it, well, I can tell you, for a structured company that has a project manager, I think the project manager will come in into the board. For a company that doesn't have a project manager, you handle some budgeting, you do some kind of, I don't know how I put it, but you handle some budget, you handle some things, but most times I tell people that your greatest uh, resource, like, you manage people. That's why yesterday I was trying to, let me just recap. Yesterday I said something. I said, learn temperament and character of people. Like, learn temperament. I was sharing that we have these four temperaments: the choleric, the sanguine, the melancholy, and we have the phlegmatic. Each and every one of us fall into this category. And I told you that You can be building a product with a dev team, or a front-end guy or a back-end guy, and you are actually doing a great stuff, like you are trying to communicate. But in those sites, you are not doing anything, like you are not even communicating. You don't even know what you are doing. Because why? Maybe you are not carrying along, and it's this kind of person that likes to be appreciated in every work that they do. You understand? So your dev, the guy will just be feeling bad. I will not function well in your team, and you'll be like, ha, these guys are not working, these guys are not doing, like, how will I do it? Go back, learn leadership, learn how to manage resources, learn how to manage people, and you'll see that it will go a long way, like it will go a long way for you. So, sorry about that. So, successfully launching product on time. Yeah, launching product on time. I told you when I was working with EasyPay, we built the mobile app and the web app within the space of, I think, 9 months, 6 to 9 months. Yeah, before we could actually launch product. And it's not when you build product, that's when you launch. You need to test. You need to test, like, test it. So when you can have a good team, well-structured team per se, you'll be able to achieve your goal. Everything still fall under people management, like human resource, like everything still fall under that. So as a project manager, you must be a good manager when it comes to human resource and some other stuff. So adapting and adjusting based on market facts. This is very important and crucial. When you are adapting and iterating based on market feedback, not based on the CEO feedback. You understand? Not based on your own feeling. I feel this thing should have this thing should have this. Now, let me give you an assignment. I've actually given a lot of assignments here, but it's not a class work. It's just a personal assignment. So I won't ask you to submit to get that. So I won't ask you to do that. So, but it's for your own good and benefit. You can try to check out maybe on YouTube, how do these great products start. Check products like Airbnb, check products like Google, check products like, what's the name of this product? Dropbox. Yeah, Dropbox, InterSwitch. Check those products, like how they started and how far they've actually come, to this end. These guys are doing great stuff. Like, they are building great stuff. Like, when I say great, I know what I'm talking about. So go on YouTube. This is after your friends. Like, you enjoy yourself. Running Bluetooth. I run YouTube. Oh, sorry, my voice is a little bit low. I'm sorry about that. So, can you hear me now? Please, can you confirm if you can hear me? Aisha, call
can hear you.
I can hear you.
Thank you.
We can hear you.
Thank you very much. Oh, that guy, God, I beg. So,
Sorry, it's because I'm outside.
No problem. I like it.
I can hear you.
Thank you. So adapting and adapting based on market feedback. So you iterate. That means I adding one feature, removing one feature. That's actually the main meaning of attrition. They tell you that this feature you are putting there, that you don't like it, or it's hard for us to adapt to your app, for us to adapt to this and that. You'll be like, okay, you are hearing from the customer's view, not your CEO coming that your CEO will tell you that I don't like this. No, it's not your CEO that is actually using the product. Customers, they are not using your product. So we have the B2B versus B2C PM role difference. So I know you have actually heard about B2B, B2C, and for you to actually go to a company to work as a PM, a tech company per se, you actually know, these products are they to B2B, B2B or B2C, and we have B2B2C. Although we're not going to that, we have B2B2C, we have B2B, yeah. I think that's the third one that we have. So, what B2B? B2B means business to business. Business to business PM. And this focus on product and service targeted at other businesses, which often which often involve complex buying process and long-term relationship. Yeah, B2B is business to business. I'm trying to find out like example of a B2B company. Not like Principal is does B2B. They do business with other business, like not like they do business to business, they do business to customer like B2C. They do B2B and B2C. You understand? So their transaction most times is actually business to business. So that they have that kind of big that long-term relationship. I think Google also have business to business platform also, and but they majorly they are major on B2C, if you understand. So I think that's it. Both also B2C. So, but let's look at what B2C. B2C is business to consumer directly. This focus on product and service target at individual consumer, where factors like user experience and mass market appeal are critical. When you are dealing with a B2C company, you need to like make your user experience top notch, and must make your app like mass market appeal. You must make your product very very good for the eyes to behold. There are some apps that you open and you don't want to leave there. You just carry your mat and come and sleep on that app. Number one, EasyPay, eazipay.com. When you check it, I actually one of the people that built that app from the starting, to the launching phase, from the initiation to launch. The colors alone, like I love as a product manager, I don't know, maybe I'm different, but I love colors. Like I love to play with colors, mature colors. When you check Jumia before, Jumia was not the way it was right now. You understand? So, when they say that they are going to B2C, business for consumer or customer, anyone you call it, they need to iterate their user experience. They need to like remodel their app and make it more brilliant. So I think that's about B2C and B2B. Kind of. So let's move to the next before I explain the assignment for the week. And you'll be submitting, I don't know when you'll be submitting. I think I shall reach out to us on this meeting concerning that. But we submitted the assignment and very, very crucial and important for everyone there. You understand? So a day in the life of a PM. Well, let me read this and summarize. A day in the life of a PM can vary significantly. It actually involves collaborating with functional teams, conducting user research, analyzing data, defining product requirements, participating in meetings, and making decisions that align with product strategy and objectives. Now, everything I've written here, everything like this, most times you might not even actually do more than one. Maybe just one that you will do. Like as an intern, your boss can actually tell you, go and write user stories, or conduct user research, or write product requirements document. That's the PRD that we spoke about the other time. So then I could still remember I wanted to write a PRD concerning a particular feature. I used like 3 days. Like I used 3 days to just make my findings and I will push it out. Although it was rejected. I wrote that story. Yes, I guess your knowledge of product design. Yeah, exactly, my friend. Like it really helped me. Like I love playing with colors, and it's actually disturbing. Like you as a designer will design, I'll tell you that no, that I don't want. Like it's not. Still do more. A brand designer or brand manager will play with colors and give me the result. I'll tell the person you can do more, please. You can actually do something. I'll correct and do. But I think that actually helped me as learning product design a bit before coming to the PM space. So I'm making decisions that align with product strategy and objectives. I think the cross-functional team something is not for intent per se, although you still collaborate with cross-functional team, but I feel the senior PM or your product manager will do that most times. But you might just be given opportunity to actually collaborate with your cross-functional team, like call, check up on what are they doing today, handle the meeting, stand up, What are you doing today? What did you do yesterday? What are you doing next? All those kind of questions. So you need to have that vibe. You need to have that life in you. Like someone just replied me that yes, we can hear you. I said that's the vibe of a PM. Like you just have that vibe. It's rare to see a PM that is phlegmatic. Now I'm talking about the temperament. Very quiet. Easy going. It's actually because PMs they interact with customers a lot. And well, in some cases, they are talkative. I don't know. Well, don't come in talkative, but most of the time they are talkative. They talk a lot, and they try to like make you understand perspectives also. You understand? So you actually see yourself collaborating with cross-functional teams, conducting user research, analyzing data, defining product requirements, participating in meetings, and making decisions that align with the product strategy and objectives. You understand? So you actually see yourself in this role. But make sure that you're actually doing it very well. Make sure that you are meeting the needs of your user. That's the important thing. And also, if you are collaborating with your dev team, because you're managing your dev team, that's your back end, front end, the designers, like. So make sure you are doing the right thing. Make sure they are not putting pressure, mounting pressure on you. Take decisions, but for an intern, before you take decision, make sure you report to your boss. I don't know, your boss can be the senior PM or you're reporting directly to the CEO. Don't just immediately take matters to your hands. You understand? I heard one time there's a story of this guy. They said the guy came for internship role, this company, and during stand up, nobody responded because the guy is actually an intern. People are like, oh, we are not listening to this guy. You know what this guy said? This guy said that he wants to sack every one of them. Ha! Intern, an intern wants to sack senior devs. Like, the audacity for me. Because so when my friend was sharing with me, I was laughing. What's that? I just came for internship that you should do with pray that they accepted after 6 months or 1 year. You say you want to sack, they are not responding to you. You want to sack them. I said that must be a joke. I don't think you actually be serious about sacking, people. So I feel as the PM, we've actually talked about a lot of things, and I don't know. I know you have questions that you might like to, but before that, let's go to the assignment part. The assignment part. So I will explain the assignment practically, and if you have any question on the assignment, you can actually show me or let me know. So imagine you are a PM tasked with developing a new mobile app for a B2C. How many of you know what B2C? I said something about B2C. What's B2C? Can you type it on chat box? Let me know if you are following me. Yeah, you want to go to B2C market. I'm waiting. B2C is what? Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Exactly. Business to what? Customers, consumers. So now you want to build this product, this mobile app, to consumer directly. Consumer directly that that's what you want to do. Now, as I create at least a list of 5 key features. A feature on okay, let me use WhatsApp. A feature on WhatsApp, we have the login feature, we have the okay. First of all, you sign up on WhatsApp, then you log in, then you maybe receive an OTP for authentication, you authenticate yourself before going in, like that, you see the chat, you see, those are features. You see is this stories now? You see the status, I said so it's status. So those are the features. So in this app that you'll be writing, just you try to pick that app, like any app that you feel like, oh, let me solve this problem. And mind you, you'll be using this app little by little. Maybe you finish this program. I don't know, but that's what you'll be doing. So imagine you're a PM tasked with developing a new mobile app for a B2C market. Take at least or 5 key features you include based on market research and customers' needs. You understand? So I told you earlier that if you want to implement this, you not just assume that your customer wants this or that. Carry out your market research, ask questions your customers needs, and highlight 5 user flow. Explain the rationale behind each feature. Now let me share my screen and just let me just put you through what I feel it should look like. Can you 1 minute? Can you see my new screen now? Please kindly confirm if you can see my.
Oh, it's still the same.
Not yet, sir.
It's still the same. Okay, let me check.
No.
Let me stop sharing. Let me stop sharing. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Don't screenshot people. Can you see my new screen? Can you see my new screen? Hello.
Yes, we can see it now.
You can
You
see
can
it.
see it. Okay, thank you very much. So I said number one, my idea, introducing a revolutionary logistics app, empowering food enthusiasts to earn while enjoying dining out. You understand? So this is what I want to do. A logistics app for the food enthusiasts, people that like food. The food is in Nigeria now. I don't know if you see how food is, especially if you are catering for yourself. Maybe you are in school and all those things. Oh, you cannot be foodie. If you are buying rice for how many thousand naira, you'll not be foodie again. But this one, I want to make it for free. See how food is. So now the high level user journey. This is what I say you should do. The features, registration and login, normal. Your app will surely have registration and login. You can actually order your notes. It's fine like this. Seamless restaurant check-in. With our app, you can effortlessly check into your desired restaurant, signaling your presence and ability to explore exciting dining options. Enjoy your meals. But this is the user journey. What potential orders? This is what you want to actually put on your stuff, on your app. You understand? Seamless app test. Now the feature that I want to put on this, you write differently because you are not doing food something. You don't want, you cannot do food. Although you can do food, but maybe different. So there's a lot of go to the health tech sector, the construction and all. I was actually one of the panelists at Vitiva last week, Saturday. Yes, so I think they are actually doing their internship and any project, and I was invited to be one of their panelists. And it was actually they built great stuff, starting from the construction industry, the health tech, the fintech, and all. So you can actually do great stuff. Believe in yourself, guys. So the features and why, my feature, user registration and profile management. Why do you want to include this kind of feature? You put it there. I use Google Doc. I don't know. That was one thing that most product managers use Google Doc. Maybe it's only ancient product managers that still use words. I don't mind me. It's very ancient, so it's not come and carry me. But Google Docs is actually is you can share your work and add people to look into it, like that. So write the features that will be there, so and why. So this is practically the stuff that you should. I think everyone has seen this now. So let me stop sharing my screen. It's 5:45 and 45 minutes, 15 minutes to go. So I think this is the end of my own class, and I'm really happy to have started this. I never thought I could finish, because I have a lot like going on, work and everything. I love PHA. Like I love them. I said I must do this. I must do this. Please, they said you should either share the attendance link again. What happened? You've not registered. So if you have any question, if you have any answer, if you have
I'll
any,
send it.
yeah, please, thank you very much. Yeah, the slide will be shared. Let's end the class. For the school two students in our midst that want to run away after 10 or so. And mind you, my colleague will be coming tomorrow. We'll resume tomorrow, I think. Yes. Is it tomorrow or next week, Aisha? I think we are done for the week, practically.
Yeah, Tuesday to Thursday. So yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. So next week, and just expect more times two of me. Like Olushola might say, I think you're on the floor. Like it's very good. Just tap anything that you can tap. Like the students you can do for me. Is a great, it will be a great one. And see, this module, like we have a lot of stuff for everyone. It will be as if you are even learning product like from beginning to the end. Even if you are too proud, self, you will go and meet Twitter CEO, Elon Musk. You tell the guy that, you guys should sign me, you guys, you guys should buy me. I'm an asset. But what will teach you here? But one thing is consistency. Please remain consistent and follow up everything. Both the assignment, it will be hard. Nobody, I can't encourage you that it should be easy. No, it's not going to be easy, man. It's going to be very, very hard. But please stay consistent and follow up. So if you have any question, I'll be glad to answer. And Olu Shola also is there. He's going to answer too. Yeah. Thank you very much. So I'll wait any question. Yes, the slide will be shared today about that. If you cannot speak, you can actually type on the. You can actually type. I'm already feeling like a student. I'm saying is already feel like a student. My exactly. Please, I want you to just make sure go on YouTube, learn more, do your research, and like do a lot of stuff. Like trying to see my LinkedIn profile is actually a small baby's profile. Nothing there. I'm still working on myself, and I know I'll still be better. So me, I watch, I join every platform that possible. I know that it's possible. Anything product, just call me, wake me up. I'll be there. Understand? So just carry that vibe, and everything we've learned so far is initiatives. And I can't wait to hear testimonies and good news all around. Thank you very much, guys. So if there are no questions, I'm happy to tell you that I'm happy to tell you that thank you. I really love and appreciate everyone. Thank you very much, Aisha. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Everyone, please thank Innocent. He has been amazing for the past few days. Thank you very much for gracing us.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Innocent.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Innocent. We've really learned a lot from you, from your experience, from everything. We've really learned a lot. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. So, guys, next week we'll see. So, is there anything else?
I don't think so. You can end the meeting.
Okay, guys, thank you. And I want to drop my LinkedIn link on the chat, on the Zoom chat, so you can actually do well to. So, how do we submit the assignment? How do they submit the assignment?
Okay, a link will be sent to your channel where you can submit your assignments.
Okay, thank you very much.
And please, when is the deadline for submission of these assignments, please?
Innocent, do you want to answer that?
Hello, ma. Hello. I think the deadline, I think, is till Monday. Yeah, I think it's Monday. Monday is the deadline for that. Oh, Lushola.
Yes, before the next class, so that we can review.
Okay. Thank you. Please don't be late. Thank you very
All right,
much.
thanks a lot, Mr. Innocent. So it was great having you.
Don't worry. We have Mr. Oluyomi next, and you guys are in for a great ride.
I can't wait for. I mean, I'll be in the meeting, so we're learning together. That was fine. Thank you, guys. Later. Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, cheers. Thanks.
Thank you so much.